Well, welcome. And it's Wednesday, June 24th. You were supposed to be here for our open house. And I know with everything that was going on, it's best to postpone for everybody's health and safety. And again, a big thank you to all the essential workers, doctors, nurses, fire, police, ambulance, EMT, paramedics, janitors, anybody and everybody that had to deal with this corona. I hope everybody's well. It's not the same that we were hoping to plan for this year, but now it gives us 12 months more to plan for next year. We've never really shown the archives up here. We have quite extensive amount of documents, files galore of photographs. We've got books date back to 1905 of company records or corporate meetings, and just a sampling of some of the things we always save stuff. So we've got CoasterCon 43, we've got Mario magazines, we've got Amusement Today, Fun Worlds, we've got Roller Coaster 150 that's got quite a large undertaking. The guy that did that, put it all together, is amazing. We've even got a Marty Maltz dress him up doll. Not everybody has one of these. Annie does. Anyways, not everybody's going to understand that. Yeah, my other car is a PTC. Just stuff like that. I even saved my old badges from CoasterCons and East Coasters, No Coasters. So we got quite an extensive bit. Photographs, like I said. We got Lily here helping me today. So, as you know, CoasterCon 43 moved to next year. It's going to be June 23rd, a Wednesday, 2021. Hey, what are you doing? Really? How many more you got? Oh, that's only box 43 out of 1904. Okay, get to work. Filing away all the tchotchkes, everything we had for open house, the giveaways. And you got to do that now. Anyways, we got giveaways. Well, we're going to do the same thing next year. Just give us a little more time. Maybe we can think of something else. We're going to have tours. We're going to have tchotchkes. We're going to have auction items, a lot of auction items, especially since we have auction items that are dated 2020. So we're going to auction off the old 2020 stuff, and we'll even have 2021s. So they could become very coveted collector items too. Let's see what else. Spirit of Ace Award. Here's something. Yeah. Busy. It's Rexy's part of the archives. She's old enough. She's pretty much here when company started. So, anyway, we've got Spirit of Ace Award. We're going to do a CoasterCon 2020 for a member, for number 43, and then we're going to do a CoasterCon 43, I don't know, we haven't figured that part out, for next year, for 2021. But we need your cards and letters. We need your emails. Send them to us. Mail them to us. Email them to us. Texas, whatever. Someone that you feel is deserving to have the Spirit of Ace Award. And remember, it's somebody that does something for the preservation of roller coasters. It's somebody that helps within ACE to volunteer, be a part of ACE. If you don't like what's going on in your organization, then step up and take a position. Join, volunteer, work your way up. You never know. You could be somebody like Jordan May. He's going to be the first international ACE president. I predicted that a while ago. Somebody's getting a little cranky. So, everything we're doing, we're planning for next year. And it should be a nice day. Today's beautiful. Sorry you can't be here. But, yeah, we just looking forward to seeing everybody. It's not the same right now, but we're learning. Everybody's learning because nobody's ever gone through something like this before. Well, not just everybody. Some people or things have gone through that before. Organizing. Well, I hope that everybody has a good time anyway. I know the ACE staff is working diligently to put these little productions on all week long. It's not the same, but it'll have to do. And just think about it. Next year, right now you're going to miss stuff like talking with Dick Knoebel, or riding a Thunderhawk, out of Dutch Wonderland, riding the Kingdom Coaster, Hershey Park, the Comet, just the carousel alone is PTC. So next year, just stay healthy, have fun. Hope to see you all next year. We're always here. If you want to come take a tour on your own, bring your mask. You're more than welcome. Free parking. Just give a call. Stay healthy. Till then, bye-bye.
Take one.
Thank you. You should have done that in the hallway.
Thank you.
She's quite fluent in several languages. Cookie, treat, lunch, dinner.
Can we go play ball?
Play ball? Oh.
Take 106.